What if you could turn your downtime into an extra $2,000 a month without quitting your job? That's exactly what this young professional did, and the way they pulled it off is mind-blowing. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll see how to make this work for yourself. Meet Daniel, a 27-year-old working a 9-to-5 job he didn't hate, but it wasn't exactly paying for his dream life either. Rent, student loans, groceries, it all added up. One night, scrolling through YouTube, he stumbled across a video about selling print-on-demand products. At first, he thought, yeah, right, sounds like a scam, but curiosity got the better of him. The simple start that changed everything. Daniel decided to experiment. He signed up for free on a platform called Printful, which connects with marketplaces like Etsy and Shopify. No inventory, no upfront costs. All he needed was an idea. After some research, he noticed people were going crazy over minimalist designs and motivational quotes, so he thought, I can do that. He opened Canva, a free design to land, whipped up a few simple designs. Black text on a white background with phrases like hustle harder and dream big. Nothing fancy, but it was enough to get started. He uploaded the designs onto mugs, t-shirts, and tote bags through Printful, listed them on Etsy, and set his prices just slightly above competitors to stand out. Quick question, if you could create a product that sells while you sleep, what would it be? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious to see your ideas. Now, back to Daniel. When things got real, the first few weeks were slow. He barely got any views on his Etsy shop. But Daniel wasn't discouraged. He realized he needed traffic, so he started posting TikToks and Instagram Reels showcasing his products. He kept it simple. Videos of the mugs spinning on a lazy Susan with a trending audio clip in the background. Then it happened. One of his TikToks went viral, racking up to 100,000 views in just 2 days. Orders started flooding in. By the end of the first month, he had made $800. Not bad for a side hustle, right? But he wasn't stopping there. Scaling the business, Daniel reinvested his profits into better tools like upgrading to a Shopify store for more control and running targeted Facebook ads. He also started expanding his designs to include niche markets like pet lovers, gamers, and even wedding gifts. By month 3, his store was pulling in $2,000 in profit consistently. The challenges he faced, of course, it wasn't all smooth sailing. There were delayed shipments, a few customer complaints, and even a time when Etsy temporarily suspended his account over a copyright misunderstanding. But Daniel learned quickly, improved his processes, and made sure to communicate openly with customers. He even automated customer service with templates to save time. Fast forward to today, Daniel's print-on-demand business is still running strong, earning him passive income every single month. He doesn't even have to touch the products, it's all handled by the print-on-demand supplier. And the best part, he's now using the extra cash to pay off his student loans faster and save for his first home. So what's stopping you? The tools are out there, the opportunities are real, and the only thing holding you back is taking that first step. If Daniel can start with zero experience and turn it into $2,000 a month, why not you? Comment below which niche you'd target. Hit like if this inspired you, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-life money-making stories.